All right, everybody, welcome back. It's Alex again, obviously. Can't see my sick hair because I'm being washed out by the light, but that's okay. So I'm just deleting the video or the charts from this week. As you can see, I now have four. I think we talked about it. So we got the weekly, the daily, we're going to run the 360 actually, and then the 60. So this is going to be mostly our trading time frame, trend time frame yet, curve time frame, but I'm going to get the curve levels from the weekly. I'm going to look for weekly breakouts and then take my daily demand areas based on the weekly breakout areas. Bless you again. Another thing I think that is going to bring this trading plan a lot together is the moves in control. If you watch the XLTs and stuff, you'll kind of understand what that is. But this is the end of the week, so I'm just deleting all the charts. So this right here, the move in control, would be this down move right here. As you can see, it worked. I think there was actually a level you could have traded on this. Yep, you could have grabbed that one or this top one, and that would have worked pretty well. I'm gonna take in the first profit at the first candle closed above that area. Yeah, so you could have worked, but that's to like get like on the 240 chart here. You got your like impulse move, corrective, impulse, corrective, / possible impulse, but then you get your impulse move, and all of this is just corrective activity until this stretch right here is broken. That's what I'm looking for. That's the impulse move. So anything inside of that, any kind of trend or anything inside that, that's all correction. I think that's been a big part of like my trading plan and what it's been missing. But that would be the move in control, so that's the move we want to trade in the direction of. So, like right here, this would be the move in control, but then we had to close below right here. I'm going to close above, so it's a separate move. So even though it is in here, it's kind of like, yeah, right, it's like a new move, like in control. So it's going to be a little confusing to kind of figure out. I used to do this in Kuwait when I first got back into trading. But yeah, so that's kind of the story. So here we got like a breakout area. I had a trade set up on here actually. I think on the practice account right here for that level. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just got to delete this box. And then what I'm going to do is, so like now we got this moving control. Once this yellow, like say this yellow box has like a little small trend in it or whatever, it's just going to be that colored box. So say it's got a small uptrend, say up to here, the box will turn green. I'll delete the green box, and then we'll have the red box once it closes out of there. So yeah, that's that whole move. Instead of just doing the close thing, I'm going to do that. That's going to be the primary thing. But if something is trading in between that, otherwise you can just like get lost in the sauce really quickly, and you can just start looking for big ass moves and like just get lost, and it kind of sucks. But yeah, so that's kind of the idea. We'll talk more about that in the week. Because next week I'll start making the videos again. I'm going to try 1 week of live trading again. And then if it works, I'm going to keep doing the live videos. If it doesn't, I'm going to take a step back probably for a while. Just use the practice account and try out some different trading styles probably. Because I've been doing this for a long time. Honestly, it's like last year has been like my first year, my restart year. So my mom is Grandma Chris.
Where?
Fall River.
Where?
We'll go there next weekend, okay? If you're with us. So yeah. So like right here is another example. If this were to, say you got your red box here. So actually two things, I guess. You get your red box here. This would be the green box, and then this would be the red box. If it breaks out of that swing low right there, let's get the pink line. Where's the pink line? Let's get the pink line. So say we get a close below that. That is now what it looks like. But yeah, next week it would change. Obviously, this would be your new move and control right here because that'll be the new week, and that's just how it's going to be. Because like I said, you can get really lost in the sauce doing this kind of shit. So yeah, I think all this is actually based on the 240. That's why it's all kind of fucked up right now. But yeah, that would make, so this would be technically a counter trend on the old, or the other, I mean, the similar style that we're doing, or that I'm doing. And then this trade would be not valid. But now it kind of creates that trap level, and it's still tradable. So that's another way to like kind of do that. So yeah, those are the two kind of things there. The Euro Aussie I got filled in this morning if I hit a winner. But see, this would be like that standard range short that I got. So it's still valid until really it breaks out above the second swing high. So you get two swing highs, plus we're high on the curve. So that would be that. So yeah, right now the big move right here is in control. So the daily move, so we're technically trading against the daily moving control, but we're not really worried about that. This was the moving control. Now this is kind of the moving control, but this is the trend in control. So there's going to be a lot of like probably confusion for me mostly, and anybody watches this or anybody watching who's also going to be confused. I did take the profit. I moved it up to above there earlier today. Actually, I think it was like there even for a quick win. But yeah, so that's the idea. We're going to try to catch those corrective moves and the impulse moves and stuff, and have better definitions of what those look like. So stay tuned. Hopefully this is a profitable strategy and we can finally get back into the right groove. And then we'll just see how long of a stretch we can get before it's all fucked up again, because that seems to be what it is. So yep, that's all. I did add a couple more pairs, just the Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Pound CAD, and Pound Aussie, just because I like to have them like there, and I feel like I have plenty of opportunities. Because the other ones get kind of like boring. There's not like enough opportunity. So that's what I'm looking at. That's my strategy. That's what I'm gonna be thinking about. And looking at and stuff. So yeah, have a great night, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the curve video.